Now we are going to see the next experiment, Smith trigger using operational amplifier. We are going to design Smith trigger circuits using operational amplifier, and we are going to study the characteristics, how it is going to produce the output. For the Smith trigger, we have to give the input as a sine wave and produces the output as a square wave. This is the Smith trigger. It converts irregular shaped waveform to the square wave. Irregular shaped, example sine waveform or any other irregular waveform can be converted into the square wave with some taking some upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage and making them into a square wave. Okay, this is done by means of selecting two voltage called as upper threshold and lower threshold voltage and using the voltage divider network. And here the circuit diagram used was comparator, which consists of positive feedback and the effect here which is performed in this circuit is called as hysteresis effect, or it is called as deadband condition. And the hysteresis voltage is the difference between the upper threshold voltage and the lower threshold voltage. There are two types of Smith trigger based waveform on where the irregular waves are obtained by means of either inverting or non-inverting Smith triggering. Smith triggering finds application in wave shaping circuits, and it is also used. It uses regenerative comparator circuit. For design procedure, first we have to select two threshold voltage, upper threshold voltage as well as lower threshold voltage, and we have to choose the reference voltage Vsat, and we have to choose Vsat, and V reference is equal to 0. This is the design procedure. We have to select the upper threshold voltage, lower threshold voltage and Vsat voltage. From that we have to calculate the value of various resistance value, R1, R2 resistance value, combination of R1 and R2 parallel resistance is taken. This is for the voltage divider network. We have to calculate the value of the resistance. Load resistance is assumed to be 10 kilo ohm, and hysteresis is calculated by the difference of upper threshold as well as lower threshold value. With using this, we have to draw the circuit diagram. Use sinusoidal waveform as the input, and the remaining is taken as a input resistance 1 kilo ohm. And the voltage divider network is taken at the output, and from the output we have to take. Okay. This is the input waveform which we give, and in the input waveform we have setting the upper threshold voltage and lower threshold voltage, and while it reaches this voltage, the square wave will produces the off time, and from the lower threshold and upper threshold it will be on time. Then once again from the upper threshold to the lower threshold it will be in the off time. In this manner we will just take the obtain the square wave output of the Smith trigger. Now we are going to see the output for the circuit diagram for the Smith trigger using operational amplifier. See, here is the voltage divider network which is available at the output side, and here the input we are giving is a sinusoidal waveform whose frequency is 1 kHz and amplitude is 10 volt. Now we are going to simulate this using the simulation tool, and we are going to using this live multisim simulator. We can see the output. The output is indicated by the green line, that is a square wave for the corresponding input sinusoidal waveform. The input is a sinusoidal waveform which we give by this blue color knob, and the output is a square wave which we obtained is indicated in the graph by means of green color. Input is in terms of blue color sinusoidal waveform. Thus in the Smith trigger, the input sine wave or any other irregular waveform can be converted into the regular square waveform. Thank you.